So, I am Dr. Tirunahar Yugandhar, Assistant Professor of Botany, Government Degree College, Karimnagar, Maibad. So, today I am discussing the structure of the DNA. The DNA is genetic material which are present in the chromosomes. The DNA which can presence in DNA is located in the chromosome. It can carry a inheritance character from one generation to other generation. The the DNA is the smallest unit of inheritance. The gene is the gene is located in the DNA. DNA is located in the chromatid. The chromatids are present in the chromonema. The chromonema is the smallest particles, then chromatids. A large number of chromonema contains a chromatids. Two chromatids are present in centromere is called chromosomes. The DNA is majorly present in chromonema filaments. These chromonema filaments are which having a large number. The DNA number is varies from one organism to other organisms. So what is the DNA? The DNA is genetic material for carries inheritance character from one generation to other generation. The DNA is present in a three organelles of cell: nucleus, nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria. The nucleus is self-replicated particles. Also chromatids, also chloroplast and also mitochondria. So which are now discussing what is the structure of the DNA, what is the structure and what is the functions of DNA. So what is the role of the DNA in living organisms? So this is also one important character features of the DNA is which presents in the chromosomes. The chromosomes, a small particles is called a chromonema or chromatids. So in the chromonema is a histoproteins. Histoproteins are DNA, which is also character features of the DNA presence. So the DNA is a double helical model which can be coiled from one thread to other threads. So this is also the DNA is in 18th century. If we measure nucleic acids are there. So invented in the 18th century, measure identification of nucleic acids. The nucleic acid is consisting of two types of nucleic acids, RNA and DNA. DNA is a deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA is a ribonucleic acids. So 1928 Griffith transformation principles are reported. 1944 Avery, MC Cartley transforming principles in DNA. 1949 so Irwin Chargaff base rules for DNA preparation or DNA rules. 1952 so this one a Escher case blender experiments. So this is also timeless of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acids. The history of DNA, the discovery of DNA is a double helix. Double helix means two threads. One thread and two threads are coiled to each other. So before DNA invented by Watson Crick, a Frederick Griffith discovered that a factory's diseased bacteria can transform harmless bacteria into deadly bacteria. Reported in 1928. Rosalind Franklin X-ray photo of DNA. 1952, Watson Crick described the DNA nucleus from Franklin's X-ray. 1953, the double helical model was reporting the three scientists: Frederick Griffith, Franklin, Watson Crick. Then total 4 scientists are reporting the history. So this is also the DNA. So this is X-ray differentiations or diffractions pattern production by DNA fibers. Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins. The Wilkins is taken photos of X-ray graphic. That the X-ray graphics are identified with proof of DNA present in the nucleic acid. The nucleic acid is present in the nucleus. The nucleus is the brain of the cell. So this is a invention, Sarbi. The Watson-Crick model of DNA is a double helix. 1951, James Watson, learner about X-ray diffraction pattern projected by DNA. So the knowledge of the chemical structure of nucleic acid, deoxyribosugar, phosphates and nitrogen bases. The DNA is made by three substances. First one, deoxyribosugars, phosphates and nitrogen bases. So Erwin Chargaff experiment demonstrated that ratio of adenine and thymine are 1:1, guanine and cytosine are 1:1. Purine pyramids. One purine, one pyrimid takes bonds to come close to the two threads that can become a double helical model of DNA. 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick proposed their double helix model of DNA structure. 1953. So Watson Crick proposed that DNA had a pairing between the nitrogen bases. So adenine, thymine, and so second one cytosine and guanine. So DNA was made of two long strands of nucleotides. So arranged in a specific way called the complementary rule. Complementary rule means adenine, cytosine is a purine, thymine, guanine is called a pyramids. One purine is always takes a bonds to one pyrimidines. The purines and pyramids takes one adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. DNA was made of two long strands nucleotides arranged in a specific way called the complementary way. So this is also the deoxyribonucleic acid also abbreviated as DNA is the principal informational micromolecules of the cell. So it is the principal informations. Principal information means so inheritance characters are which can be carried by one generation to other generation is called one principal information and inheritance vehicle. Hereditary characters are informed from one generation to other generation of the cell which stores a translated and transferred the genetic information. Transferred and translated to new DNA formation, transferred to inheritance characters are transferred to one generation other. In the prokaryotes, the DNA is found mostly in the nuclear zones. The prokaryotic means the bacteria and archaebacteria, which is also called prokaryotic. Bacteria, archaebacteria, cyanobacteria, these are called prokaryotes. The prokaryotes having a DNA is found mostly in the nuclear zone. In eukaryotes, it is found in the nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast. The DNA is present in three cell organelles, majorly nucleus, second minorly mitochondria, chloroplast. Majorly nucleus is called consisting of a DNA is called nuclear gene, mitochondria genome, chloroplast genome, also called nuclear genome. Genome means a specific characters carrying group of genes. What is the genes? A 2 or 3 genes are combined to formation of DNA. The DNAs are more than 3 genes are combined to form a thread-like structure is called a DNA. So in eukaryotes is found in the nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast. The present understanding of the storage and utilization of the cell genetic information is based upon the discovery of the structure of DNA by Watson-Crick. The total understanding the inheritance character, DNA replication, genetic gene therapy, all characters are which informed based upon the discovery of Watson-Crick. The Watson-Crick is a major or a pioneers of biologist, which is reporting the DNA. The total genetic characters are reported the other scientists. So this is also the DNA is made of two helical chains coiled around the same axis. One axis are there, one base or a backbone-like structures. Either sides have two threads-like structures. Two threads are combined to form a right-handed double helix. Right hand. First right hand it is a processing and left hand on the lower side of the right hand in this. So the two chains in the helix are anti-parallel to each other. Example, the 5 end of the one polynucleotide chain and the 3 end of the other polynucleotide chain is on the same side and goes together. 5 end and 3 end is also word which can coil to each other. The right thread is up on left thread. That is called right-handed DNA molecules. The distance between each turn is 3.6 nanometer, formally 3.4 nanometer. There are 10.5 nucleotides per turn, formally 10 nucleotides. So what is a nucleotides? The nucleotides is a which is also phosphates, nitrobase, sugar molecule. The three is called nucleotides. So this one structure of the DNA. The DNA is which can helical like structures which can formation of the double helical models and always coiled to each other. So this is also DNA structures. The DNA structure is a 5 end is upon. 5 end means white color thread. You see that pair? White color thread is upon and yellow color thread is a downside. And right hand is molecules of DNA is called reported by Watson Crick, not left hand. So this is the right hand location is adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, adenine. So which always takes a bonds to each other. So this is also called a Chargaff rule. Adenine must pair with thymine, guanine must pair with a cytosine. Adenine always, thymine to bond takes place. Guanine always must pair with cytosine. Their amounts in a given DNA molecule will be about the same type. So adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. The same type of the rule was proposed, the Chargaff rule. The Chargaff scientist was principles which are based to reporting the Watson-Crick scientist model of DNA. So this is also called the adenine, thymine and guanine, cytosine molecules are there. It can take a bond takes place. So this is also bond takes place. So adenine, thymine and guanine, cytosine. The spatial relationship between the two strands created major and minor grooves between the strands, and the grooves are some proteins and interact grooves. The grooves are joined at each adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Adenine, thymine. Adenine double bond, thymine, guanine triple bonds are this. So in the grooves, some proteins are interact. The hydrophobic backbone of the alternating decarboxyl H and negatively charged phosphate group are on the outside of the double helix. The hydrophobic pyramids and purines. Hydrophobic nature of the pyrimidines and purines. So these are based are inside the double helix which stabilizes the double helix of the DNA. The double helix is also stabilized by inner chain. So hydrogen bond formed between purine and pyrimidine base. The purine and pyrimide base is which takes bonds. So a particular purine base pair by hydrogen bonds only with a particular pyrimidase. So adenine pair with thymine. Adenine always bond takes place thymine and guanine is always cytosine. So this is also important character features. The hydrogen bonds pairs. So adenine and thymine is always take double bond. That is important. Adenine, thymine, double bond. So guanine, cytosine, triple bond. Triple hydrogen bonds to combine joint to each other of the two threads. So then the base pair adenine, thymine and guanine, cytosine are known as complementary base pair. So this pair is a complementary means so the bonds takes place in two type of the threads is complementary. The complementary adenine always double bonds to thymine, guanine always triple bonds to cytosine. which are a complementary base. So due to the presence of complementary base pairing, the two chains of the DNA double helix are a complementary to each other. So due to the presence of a complementary, the pairing, the two chains are there. Two first chain, second chain. So takes bonds. Hence the number of adenine base are equal to the number of thymine. So right side or left side, any side, adenine is a number is equal to the thymine. The guanine number is equal to the cytosine in a given double strands of DNA. Not only single adenine, not only single thymine. Adenine number, thymine number, guanine number, cytosine number is always equal. So not extra. So one of the strands in the double helix is known as sense strands. So example which codes are for RNA proteins, and the other strand is known as antisense codes. Antisense codes are present 5 and 3 adenine, thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine, adenine, thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine, cytosine, guanine, thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine, guanine, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine. So these are total base pairs of the adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. So links are each other. So this links is a which can helps to the related to the two threads, and also same genetic characters are carries to the one generation to other generation. This is also important structure of the DNA. So this is also broke down the two DNA threads, and each DNA thread is jointed to adenine, thymine, and guanine, cytosine during the DNA replication. The DNA replication process, which is a isolated or two DNA threads. Then each DNA thread is which develop into the new DNA threads and jointed each other to form a two DNA's formation. That is a semi-conservative model of a DNA replication. So this is also DNA replication. You see this one is a figure. Only key particles which adenine, thymine are separated each other. Adenine, thymine is a separated each other by keys. So which after jointed each other. So genetic material of cells. So genes unit of genetic material that codes for a specific trait called nucleic acids. DNA is made of a repeated molecules called nucleotides. Repeats means the genetic characters are continuation. So generation to generation. But so one generation to parent generation to daughter generation, the genetic characters inheritance characters arises, or mutations are just increase or improvement of this space. DNA nucleotides are there. So this DNA nucleotides, which is also important for the phosphates, and the DNA threads are jointed to each other. So this one is the phosphate group and a nitrogen bases and sugar molecules. It is also nucleotides. So what is the nucleotides? The nucleotide consists of three substances of nucleic acids: phosphates, sugars, nitrogen bases. The sugars are bonds. The sugars and phosphates and nitrogen are always bond expressed to form a nucleotides. The phosphates and nitro bases adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, sugar. Sugar is also middle part of the either side of the phosphates and nitrogen bases. The phosphates are either side, at one side, and a nitrogen base is the other side. So this is also called a nucleotide structures. The DNA double helix. The DNA double helix is which reported by the, so this is also joined to each other by ladder shape structure. Ladder. So you can say the rings of ladder. Nitrogen base is adenine, thymine, guanine, or cytosine. Legs of ladder. So phosphates and sugar bonds are there. So this is also double helix model of DNA. The double helix model of DNA is which can be joined to each other. So this is also, so guanine cytosine triple bond, thymine adenine double bond. So always either side of the guanine and thymine green color part is sugars. So either peripheral sides is called phosphates, always phosphates. Then middle part is called nitrogen bases. Either side of the middle part, which is also called either side of the middle part is called so phosphate or nitrogen bases. Sugar bases are sugar bases. The sugars, the either side of the sugar is called phosphates. So this is also double helical model of DNA. Then the double helical model of purines and pyrimids. The purines is adenine guanine, pyrimidines is the thymine cytosine. So then total the purines are 2, pyrimidines are 2, which always adenine is a thymine, guanine is also cytosine, it is bonds. So this is also called important part of the basing particles. Adenine or adenine guanine, the purines, thymine cytosine is also pyrimids. One purine, one pyrimidines. First purine, adenine, in the pyrimidine first thymine, which is also bonds base. The purines are second, pyrimidines are seconds, which can equal to takes bonds. That is called nitrogenous base. The nitrogenous base, which can classify the two types, purines and pyrimidines. The purines is adenine, guanine, and pyrimidines is a thymine cytosine. One purine, one pyrimidines takes a bonds takes place. So this is also important part of the nitrogen bases in the. So this is also base pairs. So guanine cytosine always double bond. So cytosine adenine thymine is also got a double bond. So any type of the DNA molecules, the guanine and cytosine is always triple hydrogen bonds takes place. So thymine adenine is also double bond. So this is also got a base pairing. The genetic diversity of different arrangements of nucleotides in a nucleic acid, the DNA provides the key to diversity among living organisms. So which are key to the differentiations, different arrangements are there of nucleotides. Nucleotides means the three particles. So then the phosphate, sugars and nitrogen bases. The nitrogen bases are which classified the purines and pyrimidines. The purines are adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. Adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine always takes bonds, which is also important for the structure of the DNA. So then the structure of the DNA is the code of life. The code of the chromosome is the specific order that basis occurs. Adenine, guanine, cytosine, guanine, thymine, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, guanine, which is a total the code for the life. The life which can proposal by any living organisms when active and protein metabolism, nitrogen metabolism, all is takes place with help of inherent character of DNA. The DNA is a genetical material of every living organisms. DNA is wrapped tightly around stones and held tightly to the from chromosomes. So the DNAs are tightly to the around to the stones. So this is also DNA replication. The DNA must be copied. The DNA molecules produces two identical new complementary strands following the rule of base. Adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, you know that. So this is also each strands of the original DNA serves as a template for the new strands. So this is DNA replication, the semi-conservative and dispersive. The semi-conservative Watson and Crick, the two strands of the separate and each fraction as a for each synthesis of a new complementary strands. So this is also one characters of. So one DNA is also blue color threads are separated. So each blue color thread is developed into the one red color another thread. either side of the one DNA molecules or one blue color part. That is called DNA replication. Essential feature of bDNA. So then the right, so how many type of the DNAs are? The DNAs are which can killed to the DNA based on the three types. So then right twisted double stranded helix anti-parallel based on the inside perpendicular to the axis, so uniform and diameter. So this is also one character of complementary base. Structurally purines. The structurally purines are adenine guanine pair best with pyrimidines or thymine and cytosine. Thus, adenine pairs with thymine and guanine pairs with cytosine. Also explaining so Chargaff ratios. This is also completed the Chargaff video. By DNA evolved as a genetical material but not RNA. So maybe because RNA but DNA is a prone the base catalyzed hydrolysis. The DNA is a genetical material of all living organisms except virus. The RNA is a genetical material of RNA virus except virus. Remaining all is called DNA genetical material. Only RNA genetical material virus. So this is also structure of the it may be used because of RNA and but DNA proposal this one. bDNA. So what is a bDNA? So biological dominant DNA. So this is a right hand double helix. So this part of the planes base pairs are nearly perpendicular to the helix. Perpendicular means 90 or 90 degrees. Helix axis passes through the base pairs and its bDNA has the internal space. No internal space of bDNA. So this ddNA has a widespread deep major grooves and a narrow and deep minor grooves. So this is also one character of it. So what is a comparison with a so between the different structure from a DNA? A DNA, B DNA, Z DNA, H DNA. The four types of the DNAs are present. So H DNA also got then A DNA means stands and wider. B DNA is a normal reference stance Watson-Crick model. That is called B DNA. So Z DNA means zigzag, longer and thinner. So this one HDNA is also got a sequence which are. So then ADNA is called right-handed. So BDNA right-handed double helix. ZDNA is a left-handed. HDNA is a triple helix. So then ADNA is a which distance between each is got 2.3 nanometers. BDNA is 3.6 nanometer. Then ZDNA is 3.8 nanometer. So fourth one is also 11 base pairs are present in ADNA. Then 10.5 base pairs are present in the bDNA. Then 12 base pairs are present in ZDNA, which is also base pairs are absent in HDNA. So then the fifth one, stable. The stable in a solution divide of the water, ADNA. So most stable under physiological condition, bDNA. So doubtful existence in a physiological state, ZDNA helps in a gene regulation. So this is also comparison between different structure and form of DNA. So this one is generally characteristic of several forms of DNA. Coiling pitch, base pairs, helical diameter, acyclizes, sugar phosphates broken down tilt bar. So this is also different in ADNA, bDNA, cDNA, ddNA, eDNA, ZDNA. So this is also majorly. So majorly 4 types of DNAs are present. So then the only 3 types are major, but bDNA, the right-handed double helix with a wide and narrow groove. Then ADNA major groove is very deep and a minor groove is quite shallow. ZDNA consists of dinucleates, each which with different conformations, strands of DNA. which is also major DNA conformations of different bDNA, zDNA. The DNA conformation is so this A DNA and a bDNA, both from right-handed double helix. So, but bDNA helix has a larger pitch and hence a smaller width than that of a A. So then bDNA, so the helix axis are passes through the base pairs and hence so the bDNA has no interaction space. That is also called DNA conformation, zDNA, bDNA. That bDNA forms a right-handed double helix, which is a repeating unit of a nucleotides. So where zDNA forms a left-handed double helix, which has repeating unit a double dinucleotide. The zDNA helix has a larger pitch and therefore a narrow than that of the DNA. So the DNA and the aDNA, sorry, bDNA, zDNA is also different in a strands or double helical structures. So these all structures are there: aDNA, bDNA, cDNA, and zDNA. C is also called HDNA. So this is the four type of the DNAs are which can be differentiations that takes place in these two differentiations are this one takes place. Differentiations are takes place. So this one forms of a helical twist. Base pairs per turn occurrences. A right 11 RNA DNAs. So the bDNA is also 10 DNAs and Z left 10 DNAs. So this is also form of helical structure of DNA. So the bDNA, aDNA, zDNA figures. So these figures are in a various or structurally different in the comparison of a B form, A form and Z form. Helix senses right-handed B form, right-handed A form, left-handed Z form. The two DNAs are right-handed, B and A. Only Z DNA is called left-handed. Then base pairs per turn, B form 10, A form 11, Z form 12. That is the differentiations. Vertical rise per base 3.4 B form, 2.56 A form, 3.7 angstrom. Then B form is also rotation per base pair plus 36, A form 33, Z form is a minus 30 degrees. The helical diameter is a B form 19, A form 23, Z form 18 angstrom. So this is also comparison between the bDNA, aDNA, zDNA. So this is also major characters. The structure of the DNA and the RNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, ribonucleic acid. The ribonucleic acid is only one thread. Deoxyribonucleic acid has two threads. The one thread and two threads are both are combined to the two threads are combined to form double helical. Then single thread is called single helical structure of RNA. Double helical structure of the DNA. So this is also major difference between the DNA and RNA. So this is also genetical material by the double strands of DNA. So then the linear, but so women chromosomes are present in circular. So then the prokaryotic and mitochondria, chloroplast, some virus or pulse virus. Then single strands of DNA, linear. So also called adeno-associated virus. Adeno-associated virus. So this was circular coronavirus. Genetical material may be DNA. Double stranded DNA, single stranded. Single stranded DNA is adeno-associated virus. Circular parvovirus. So this is also genetical material. The genetical may be RNA. The RNA is which are present in the reovirus and also called is a retrovirus. The reovirus RNA is a double-stranded. Single-stranded RNA are the retrovirus. The reovirus and retrovirus are like HIV, human-induced syndrome virus. Single strands of RNAs are present. Then RNA, DNA are hybrids. Example, retrovirus and replication, imaging DNA virus. So what is the amazing? DNA forms a single human cell extending a single thread for almost 2 meters long. Only one DNA thread is got 2 meters long. It contains information equals some 16,000 printed pages of 500 words. So each is a library about 1,000 books. The total amazing DNA is also called major character. Next one, last one, functions of the DNA. So the base sequence of DNA consists of the informational signal called the genetic material. The DNA is a genetic material. So the nucleotide base sequence enables the DNA to function, stores, express, and transfer the genetic information. Functions of DNA. Hence, it is a program and control all the activities of an organism directly and indirectly throughout the life cycle. The second one is called control of actinovirus. Activities of an organism directly or indirectly throughout the life cycle. So, a DNA stores the complete genetic information required a specific form. The nuclear genome, chloroplast genome, mitochondrial genome is a storage of genetic information. The structure of all the proteins and RNAs of each organism. The proteins and RNAs are genetic information storage. The DNA is a source of information for the synthesis of cellular body proteins. Some of the proteins are structurally proteins and some are enzymes. Protein synthesis and enzyme synthesis made by DNA. So these enzymes are arranged in micromolecules to form a macromolecules. It determines the activities of an organism throughout its life cycle. Example, the period of gestation, birth, maturity, sensitivity, and death. So this all is also called DNA source information. It determines the individually and identity of a given organisms. Individual determines. So it replicates to form a two-daughter DNA. The DNAs are duplications or replication takes place to form a two-daughter DNAs. Itself and transfers one of the copy to the daughter cell during cell division, thus maintaining the genetic material from generation to generation. The genetic materials are transferred from generation to generation. So this is also one character of. So this is also compared of my topic of DNA as genetic material. So this is also